Hello from beautiful Mexico, where I have been living the past 5 years and have been thriving and flourishing. This is your sign to leave the U.S. and go somewhere else. Somebody needed to say it. I am going to say it. And it's not because you hate it in the U.S. It's not because you're running away from what's happening in the U.S. It's because you're tired of surviving instead of living. And I tell you what, I really feel like it's going to get worse than where we are right now in the United States. And you don't have to take my word for it. Let's just do like a short survey to see where you are, right? Are you tired of working nonstop and still feeling behind? Are you tired of healthcare being a luxury? Are you tired of asking for permission to rest? Some of y'all are like, check, check, check. And to be honest, here's the part that nobody tells you. You don't need a trust fund to live abroad. You don't need to be rich. You don't need to have everything figured out. Some of y'all just need a passport, a skill, and the courage to try something different. That's it. And that's where teaching abroad comes in. My name's Karina, and I'm an educator and travel content creator who has been living and teaching abroad for the past 8 years. And I love it. I don't see myself ever moving back to the United States. So if you've ever been stressed out and you're looking for a way out of the United States, but you don't know where to start, you don't know what to do once you move abroad, this is where I come in. To be honest with you, teaching abroad is one of the most accessible ways to live overseas legally, earn money, and actually enjoy your life while doing it. You can travel, you can pay your bills. Well, honestly, for most places, you don't have to pay your bills because they will pay them for you. And that's why I love living in China, because they paid my bills and I was able to just live. You'll be able to actually enjoy your life while teaching. And it's not something that you need experience in. How do I know? When I moved to China, I had never taught in a classroom before. I just had a bachelor's degree. I was a native English speaker, and I had my TOEFL certificate, which only cost me $30. Teaching abroad gave me options. It gave me stability. It gave me freedom, and it gave me my life back. I know that sounds cliche, but I mean, honestly, it gave me my life back. My legit plan when I moved to China was to teach for 3 years, stack up my paper, and then move back to the United States. I ended up falling in love with teaching abroad and actually turned it into a company where I now own my own virtual learning academy for ESL learners. And all of this started from me teaching in China. My students' parents loved the way I taught and asked me to continue teaching their kids online. Every time I post about my life or I talk about teaching abroad or the opportunities it's afforded me, people always ask me the same questions over and over. Where do I start? What countries pay well? What do I need? How do visas work? How much money should I save? One of my goals for last year was to create an ebook to help people who were interested in teaching abroad. My teaching abroad ebook, it's available in my link, but it walks you through the entire process step by step. So there's no gatekeeping, no fluff, just real information from someone who actually did it and it is still living and teaching abroad. So if you've been feeling stuck, restless, or like there has to be more to life than this, or if you've been watching the news, this is your sign. It's not to quit your life overnight, but to open the door to a new one. And yes, leaving the U.S. might just be the best lesson you've ever taught yourself.